now we exit out of all of that, and we're going to show a little bit more of the data. This data is taken from the Exonerations database. It's the public spreadsheet from the National Registry of Exonerations, or you might know it as the Innocence Project. So now we're going to show a map of exonerations by white versus black. You can see that that in the South there are more black exonerations than there are white exonerations on average, but there's also a higher number of this is the amount of time between crime and exoneration. There's a higher number of there's a higher length of time to exoneration in the South for African Americans versus in the North. So you're curious as to how this is created. The data set over here has state and county. So let's say this didn't so this automatically got picked up, and then we can just add it here and then go here, have the chloropleth, and then I want to add state, county, and I can see by county what the time to exoneration is. So it's a very versatile, very quick way to make maps, and it allows you to do some very interesting things with maps. Let's say I want to see this for everyone, not just by race. So now here's by everyone, the time to exoneration. You'll notice that in red states, there tends to be a slightly longer time to exoneration. Here's time to exoneration by race. So I can start with just total time to exoneration between male and female, and then I add back in race. I can also get rid of sex, and so now it shows, I got rid of sex from this, so now sex is just the columns, now sex is just a color. Get rid of sex here, and then I can get rid of sex here, and now it's just for race, what's the average time to exoneration. So go back, get it there. And then here's the average time to exoneration over time. As you can see, that the average time to exoneration has been decreasing overall, and so and then so this is just some of what you can do with Tableau with a very specific data set. And so this is the number of exonerated crimes by state in the Innocence Project. If you'll notice, let's change the color here, edit colors. If you'll notice, murder in Illinois has a lot of exonerations, and then as you get to less serious crimes, you get to fewer exonerations because there's less of a need for Innocence Project, which takes lots of drug possession. Also in Illinois, Illinois kind of has a harsh punishment. So yeah, that's a lot of what you can do with Tableau. I'm going to show you one other Tableau graph I created, and then we're going to be on our way. And then all